So obviously we got this beautiful Model 3 here, but come to the back. Yeah. Something's kind of off with this wheel, huh? It's missing a little bit of metal. Yeah, so we were involved in a little accident here. And honestly, the wrap pretty much protected everything here. We got like a dent here and a dent right here, and this door handle's kind of off, but if you look straight down, you can tell that the wheel's pushed in on that way, right? So it's causing the car, whenever you're driving, to pull to the right. So that's the biggest issue. I don't really care about this because, you know, of course we can just rewrap it. This kind of sucks. Oops. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just take a look at this. It should be a there's a thing back here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, but that arm right there, which is adjustable for tow in and out. So we're gonna go ahead and see if I can do it. Yeah. Still one of the biggest design flaws here on the Tesla is when you open the trunk and you got water. The spoiler doesn't help. I need my keys. And then, not too bad this time around. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm still getting water inside this trunk here. Okay, we're gonna put on the wheel lock first here. I never remember where it goes. There we go. Okay. That'll get it off. Alright, so the one in question is this guy right here. So if there's something that's bent, it should be this one because of the alignment here. This bolt could have been like pushed in because nothing else looks bent. Fortunately, this one here looks pretty good. So I don't see anything that looks bent or cracked. So I'm gonna go ahead and just loosen this one up here at the rear, and then hopefully go ahead and pull it forward, because you can tell that this is not matching. And yeah, also my it's broken, very broken. All right, let's go ahead and see how we fix this here. Poor wheel. I'm so sorry. All right, let's take a look at what we got going on here. We got a 18 millimeter and a vice grip. So, is that ideal? Definitely not. Is it what I have? Exactly what I have. I definitely don't have enough here to take this off. So you take the handle of your favorite jack and we use it for leverage. All right, so hey, future Ivan here. Just wanted to mention something here. So if you look carefully, like in this area here, you can actually see like between these two, you can see how this starts to like pull in, and then eventually it'll start to pull out. I didn't notice that in the video,
But pretty much what you want to do is adjust this, what I'm working on right now on that toe. You want to adjust it until you see it pretty much like pull it in, but you have to be paying attention. So just a warning on that one right there.
And that's how you do it. Rotate it the other way. And it rotates quite a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up. I'm pretty sure it's 132 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go recheck, but yeah. And you have to have it compressed. So we're gonna compress it with the jack and then tighten it with a thingamabob. Okay, so I definitely don't have the right tools to do this. I don't have a metric set of wrenches. I know, right? Crazy. So I don't have anything that's close to an 18 millimeter in SAE. So either way, I'm gonna make this happen. So we got some pressure on it.
All right, hello again. So wanted to mention what I ended up doing. So there are two sides to the bolt. You have the right side and the left side. On my video, I have the left side getting gripped by the vice grip, and then the right side is what I'm working on. You actually have to rotate each side opposite to each other in order to actually get it to tighten. I didn't show that in any of the video, so I'm mentioning it now. And then honestly, it's just best to take it to a place to get it aligned. The only reason I did this repair was to get it to drive straight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But to do this right, just take it to an alignment shop that has the right tools, or do some better research and learn from somebody that's a professional. I'm just trying to get by here. So yeah, let's get back to this.
Let's see if that fixed it. So if you can see, looks like it's pretty even. It's not perfect because this side is poking out just a little bit, but now it looks pretty good. Okay, so it's obviously sitting too high right now, but we're gonna lower it and see how it looks. But not bad. Come on, connect. What's going on? Well, this is something you don't want to see. Unable to charge. Vehicle may not restart. Service required. BMS. You know what's funny is, like, while I was charging the other day, the battery was popping like crazy. And I canceled my service appointment for tomorrow too, just to add insult to injury. I literally canceled it like an hour ago. Well, let's figure out what that is, because
Plug it and unplug it, see what happens.
and it might be something with the battery in the front, because it's not showing me 12-volt power there. All right, well, I'm gonna figure this out now.
And figure it out we will, because in the next video here, when I actually take the car to the repair shop, this was a really long process, so I'm gonna post this video coming up. But yeah, we got the car fixed, so be ready for next week, because it's gonna be a long video. So see you. Drive safe, guys.